How to recover Telegram account. If you've lost access to your Telegram account or can't log in, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to recover your Telegram account. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and simply enter the phone number linked to your account. Make sure you enter the correct country code and simply tap Next to proceed. Once you've entered your correct country code, simply enter your phone number and tap on Continue. Once you've done that, Telegram will now send you a login code in one of these ways, that is, Telegram on another device, SMS message, and call option. Now, as you can see here, Telegram is asking me to simply enter my email address as it wants to verify if it is me or not. Simply enter your email address and simply click on continue. Once I've done that, I'll get an email giving the code. Simply enter that. Now, once you've entered the code, simply tap on continue, and now again Telegram will send you a SMS code in your phone. Just enter that code, and that's it. That's how you simply recover your Telegram account.